This is a three-phase brushless motor. What if I told you that your students could build one of these? Every step along the way, from assembly, winding the bobbins the right way, identifying the polarity, connecting the different phases to the drive in different configurations, learning both the mechanical aptitude, the manual dexterity that goes along with it, and understanding everything to do with electricity, magnetism, and brushless DC motors. And at the end of it, it works. That's what the EV-100 ConsuKit is all about. Imagine a classroom where students don't just learn about the future, they build it. Introducing the EV-100 ConsuKit, the student-built brushless DC motor that brings real-world technology to life. Too often, learning about electricity and motors is limited to textbooks and diagrams. The EV-100 bridges the gap, turning theory into hands-on discovery. Each EV-100 kit includes everything needed to build a real, working, three-phase permanent magnet motor or generator. With a transparent housing and modular design, students see and understand every step. Students don't just learn, they build, test, and explore real three-phase motor technology, just like what's used in electric vehicles and combustion-powered vehicles. They gain practical skills in wiring, assembly, and troubleshooting, and, of course, manual dexterity. The EV-100 develops critical thinking, problem-solving, and technical confidence. It fits seamlessly into STEM, trades, and engineering programs from junior high to college, supporting teachers with step-by-step guides and ready-to-use worksheets. It operates both as a high-speed motor or a working generator. Students see, measure, and experiment with real voltage and three-phase waveforms. Hands-on experience reinforces electrical and mechanical concepts, connects learning to emerging technologies, and inspires the next generation of innovators. The EV-100 is safe, adaptable, and curriculum-ready. The EV-100 is available in classroom kits of 12 or 24 units, packaged in a robust storage and transport case. This makes it easy to organize, store, and move between classrooms or labs, perfect for groups, learning, and scalable instruction. Bring the EV-100 ConsuKit to your classroom. Prepare your students for the careers of tomorrow. Visit consulab.com or contact us today.